Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have been doing this for many years. I worked at IRS for a ton. One of the reasons you want to listen to me is I know what I'm talking about. I worked for IRS, and I've been in private tax defense for 42 years. So I want to talk to you today about IRS notices. By the way, go to my YouTube channel. You'll see all my national TV interviews as well. I want to talk to you. Don't panic when you get an IRS letter, but do this. That's the title, because when you get an IRS letter, these are the things really that you need to do. If it's an audit letter, well, unless you have all the documentation, you should get a hold of someone. If it's a simple audit, take care of itself. If it's not, you really need to step your game up and hire someone. But if you owe IRS back tax debt, your IRS notices tell you where IRS is in the case process. And there's a whole series of letters you get if you owe IRS debt. They start out with the original LT-14. From there, they go 6 to 7 weeks. They send out a CP-501. Then they send out a CP-503. Each letter kind of steps the game up a little. CP stands for collection generated process. The 504 is IRS's first attempt to get your attention, and they shake you pretty hard. They say, guess what? Yeah, it's coming. And then when you get the 504, boom, 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 they can do many things if they want. After they give you final notice and you do not respond on some cases, they can issue levies, garnishments, take your passport away, and file a lien. They can, but most times they wait to the LT11. It all depends what type of case you have, whether you've been habitual delinquent. So these letters tell you where you are. When you get the letter, don't react right away. Find out where your case is, make sure the amount is correct, and then proceed forward. You must have an exit strategy on every case. If you know you're going to owe debt, you know you want to challenge the liability, take action. Don't put your head in the sand, because if you owe the tax, penalties and interest are going to run. You're going to need to stop the IRS enforcement machine, their cycle. You need to shut off their computer switch by calling IRS and say, hey. So when you get that IRS notice, the first thing you want to do is evaluate where your case is in the process. Sometimes you didn't get the first letter, sometimes you didn't get the second letter, but you got this letter. That's either the time to take the challenge on yourself or go ahead and hire whoever that you wish to hire. But remember, the notices that you get are in sequential order. If you look at going IRS and say, hey, what's this letter for, blah, blah, blah. But remember, when you get final notices, IRS is going to act on those final notices. So don't panic right away. You don't have to panic immediately, but by that time you really have to have a game plan on how to resolve the case. If you need me, I'm available for representation. Contact me anytime. Remember, final notices, IRS is going to do exactly what they say on those letters. Why? Because the computers are programmed to do that. There's no one's pushing the buttons. They're automatically generated by computers. Have a good one. Call me if you need me. Give me a subscription. I try to tell you the best that I can every time. Bye.